Never walk into a supermarket without knowing how to ask for what you need. It's like playing a game you don't understand the rules to. But today, you're going to learn how to shop in English, even if your level is A1. In this episode of the Slow English podcast, we're going shopping together. You'll hear natural English words and expressions used when buying food, asking for help, and paying at the counter. Even if you only know a little English, don't worry. We'll go step by step. You'll learn how to speak slowly, clearly, and confidently when you shop for groceries. Now, let's be honest. Shopping sounds simple, right? But for English learners, it can feel stressful. You might freeze when the cashier says, "Do you have a membership card?" Or when you can't find the word for toothpaste. You might nod and smile, pretending to understand, even when you don't. That's okay. Everyone has been there. The real problem is not vocabulary, it's confidence. When you shop in your own language, everything is easy. But in English, suddenly your mind goes blank. So in this episode, I'll show you how to handle real conversations at the supermarket, what to say, how to respond, and how to sound natural even when you speak slowly. Now let's start with a short, simple story. Imagine this. You walk into a big supermarket. It's a bright Saturday morning. You grab a shopping basket and start looking for your favorite breakfast items: milk, eggs, and bread. You stop by the dairy section. You see different kinds of milk: full cream, low fat, soy, and almond. You're not sure which one to buy, so you ask an employee for help. You say, "Excuse me, where can I find the low-fat milk?" The employee smiles and says, "It's right over there, next to the yogurt section." You say, "Thank you very much." They reply, "You're welcome." Simple, right? But let's look closer at this short moment. It's full of useful English expressions. Excuse me, this is one of the most polite ways to get someone's attention. Where can I find? This is perfect when you're looking for something in a store. It's right over there. You'll hear this a lot when people show directions. Now let's repeat them together slowly. Excuse me. Where can I find the low-fat milk? It's right over there. Now, let's continue our story. You find your milk and move to the bakery section. The smell of fresh bread fills the air. You pick a loaf of whole grain bread. Then you remember you also need some apples. You go to the fruit section, but you're not sure how to ask for help. You see an employee restocking bananas, so you ask, "Hi, do you have any fresh apples today?" They say, "Yes, they're over here. Would you like red or green apples?" You reply, "Red, please." And they say, "Here you go." You smile and say, "Thank you." They smile back, "No problem." In these few lines, you learned 3 natural, friendly phrases. Do you have any? Great for asking if something is available. Would you like? A polite way to offer something. Here you go. A common phrase when giving something to someone. Now imagine you've picked everything you need. It's time to check out. You go to the cashier. They scan your items and say, "Do you have a membership card?" You can answer, no, I don't, or yes, here it is. Then they say, would you like a bag? You can say yes, please, or no, thank you. Finally, they say, that'll be $12.50. You give your card or cash, and they say, have a nice day. You smile and say, you too. This short conversation includes a lot of practical English you'll use every time you go shopping. Let's break some of them down for pronunciation and rhythm. Repeat after me slowly. Would you like a bag? Again, would you like a bag? Notice how would you sounds like would ya. That's natural connected speech. So it sounds like, would you like a bag? Now let's try another one. That'll be $12.50. Native speakers often say it fast, like, that'll be $12.50. You can practice both versions. Slow, that'll be $12.50. Fast, that'll be $12.50. Here's a pronunciation tip. When you say 12, make sure your tongue touches your teeth gently for the V sound. 12. Now let's go back to some common things you might want to say when you shop. Number 1, asking for something. Excuse me, where can I find the rice? Do you sell eggs here? Is this on sale? Number 2, asking for help. Can you help me find the sugar? I'm looking for the cereal aisle. Do you have smaller sizes? Now, number 3, small talk with cashiers. How's your day? Is it busy today? Thanks. Have a good one. These small sentences make a big difference. They turn your shopping experience from stressful to smooth. Let's practice a short dialogue together. Repeat slowly after me. Hi, how are you? Good, thanks. How about you? I'm great. Do you have any tomatoes today? Yes, they're on the right side near the lettuce. Perfect, thank you. You're welcome. Now, let's shadow this conversation at a natural speed. Hi, how are you? Good, thanks. How about you? I'm great. Do you have any tomatoes today? Yes, they're on the right side near the lettuce. Perfect, thank you. You're welcome. Good job. The goal is not to sound fast. The goal is to sound clear. Here's the most important part. Confidence comes from repetition, not memorization. The more you repeat simple daily English like this, the more natural it feels. Next time you go to a supermarket, try using just 1 or 2 of these phrases. Say, excuse me, where can I find, instead of staying silent. Say no thank you clearly when you don't need a bag. You'll be surprised how friendly people respond. Language learning is not about being perfect. It's about being brave. Even a short, simple phrase like, do you have any apples today, is a small act of courage, and that's how fluency starts. Let's review what you learned today. Number 1, how to ask for help in a store. Excuse me, where can I find? Number 2, how to ask for items. Do you have any? Number 3, how to respond politely. Yes, please. No, thank you. Here you go. Number 4,
how to chat with cashiers in a friendly way. And most importantly, number 5, how to practice slow, natural English that helps you sound confident when shopping. If you want, you can replay this episode and shadow along with me again. Each time, your pronunciation and rhythm will get smoother. Thanks for listening to the Slow English Podcast. Subscribe now and keep growing your English step by step.